This is Craig Haugaard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Corn prices ended lower on Friday as we saw position evening ahead of the weekend and Tuesday's USDA report. Export demand remains good, with Friday bringing the announcement of the sale of 207,000 metric tons of corn to an unknown destination. Now, tomorrow is the monthly USDA supply and demand report, and the trade is looking for total production to be pegged at 14.89 billion bushels, while ending stocks are projected to come in at 2.257 billion bushels. Soybean prices closed a touch lower as we saw profit taking again ahead of the weekend and tomorrow's USDA report. Having said that, the trade continues to be nervous over the ongoing dry weather conditions in South America. We also continue to see very good export demand. Friday, we had news of the sale of 132,000 metric tons of beans to China and an additional 272,000 tons to an unknown destination. Heading into tomorrow's USDA report, the trade is projecting that total soybean production this year will be 4.465 billion bushels, while ending stocks are estimated to come in at 255 million. The wheat market closed lower mainly in reaction to our lack of competitiveness in the world export market. Traders that are looking for a reason to be bullish point to ongoing dryness across the southern portions of Russia and Ukraine, and that's certainly a story that we'll want to keep an eye on long term. Cotton futures broke sharply to the downside and closed near session lows as we had the December futures 145 points lower, settling at 68.62. Livestock futures turned in a mixed session. We had December live cattle ending the day 30 cents higher, while January feeder cattle were up 52.5 cents at the closing bell. Lean hog futures, on the other hand, kind of got beat up, with the December futures $2.52.5 lower at the close. The more deferred months were higher. Class 3 milk futures closed lower 4 out of 5 days last week, with the biggest loss coming on Friday. At the finish, we had November futures down 37 points, settling at 23.20. Meat cutout values had a mixed session. Choice box beef was $1.77 higher, closing at $214.32. Select boxes were 48 cents lower as they settle at $198.49. And pork carcass cutout values were down $2.32 as they closed out the week at $84.06 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugaard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.